There's this chapter in the book Stillness Speaks by Eckhart Tolle that I absolutely love, and it completely changed my life. So, in the book, he says that a true spiritual teacher has nothing to teach you in the conventional sense of the word. No new information, belief, or conduct that you have to add onto your life. The only function of a true spiritual teacher is to help you remove that which separates you from the truths of who you already are and what you already know in the depth of your being. A true spiritual teacher is simply helping you remove that which blocks you from accessing this inner depth of being, which is also peace. And I read that and I was like, wow, that's so refreshing. It means that the peace, love, and joy that I want to experience is not outside me. There's nothing that I need to add into my life. No new information, no rules of conduct, nothing that I need to add into my life. Simply there already, but there's something that I'm attached to or something in my mind space that's blocking it from arising. And when I can become aware of this, I can decide to unblock it. I don't even need to understand what's blocking it, because sometimes we get trapped into this hole of trying to understand why we're blocking the peace from flowing. I think simply becoming aware of it is all we need. And when we can do that, we create more space for peace, love, and joy to flow into our lives and into the world around us.